Morning children, this is Monica ma'am, your English teacher. I hope all of you are keeping fine. Dear children, I hope that you have understood whatever we have done up till now, whatever I have taught you through these virtual classes, you have understood it properly. Now today we are going to begin a grammar concept. It's a recap, that is recapitulation of prefix. Let us see what is a prefix. Technically, if we define the word prefix, prefix are the letters which we add to the beginning of a word to make a new word with a different meaning. This means prefix are attachment that you add to the beginning of a word and they change the meaning of the word they are attached to. In other words, we can say that prefix are a syllable or a group of syllables added to the beginning of a word to alter means to change its meaning. A syllable, what is syllable? Syllable is a unit of sound. A syllable is single unbroken sound of a spoken word. You remember that when I teach you how to learn spellings, I teach you by the use of syllable breaking. Now in simple terms, we can understand prefix like this. Look here at the word or prefix. The word prefix itself is made up of two words, that is pre and fix. Here the word pre means before or preceding and fix means to attach or place. The word itself is self-explanatory. Prefix, that means to attach something before a word. Let us see some of the examples of prefix. Here we can see some most common prefix. They are un, mis, miss, dis, this, in, im. These syllables do have some meaning, but they cannot stand alone in any sentence until and unless they are added to some word. But when added to a word, they create a new word, sometimes modifying the meaning or making it the opposite of the base word. Now here you can see the prefix un, that means not, not. And these are the base words to which we will be adding the prefix un. Let's see what is the change. Yes, so here are the base words well, tidy, lucky, able and happy. Let us add un to these words. Well changes to unwell, tidy, untidy, lucky, unlucky, able, unable, happy, unhappy. So here you can see the word has changed to the opposite of the word, opposite of itself. That means if I take the word well, that means fine, and unwell, that means not fine. Sometimes you are not feeling well. What you say, ma'am, I am not feeling well or I am unwell. Let's see the next prefix example. That is miss, miss, wrongly. Miss means something which is wrongly done. The base words here are behave, print, place, match, spell. It changes to misbehave, that means not behaving properly. Misprint, misplace, mismatch, misspell. The third example is dis, dis, that means not. It shows the negative terms. Like, the base word is like, appear, agree, appoint, obey. Let's see the changes. Like becomes dislike, appear, disappear, agree, disagree, appoint, disappoint, obey, disobey. For example, I like to eat vegetables. I like vegetables. I dislike vegetables. I like them. I do not like them. Next example is in. Again it shows not, not. This again changes the base word into the opposite of it. Let's see the base words first. Ability, correct, dependent, complete, accurate. Let us see the changes now. Inability, correct, incorrect. Dependent, independent. Complete, incomplete. Accurate, inaccurate. For example, my answer is correct, that means it is right. My answer is incorrect, that means it is not right, it is wrong. I have completed my work, or my work is complete. That means I have done the work, it is finished. My work is incomplete, that means it is not finished. Example is I am im. Again it means not. The base words are possible, mortal, perfect, movable, polite. And let's see what happens after adding im to these words. Becomes impossible, immortal, imperfect, immovable, impolite. Let's take it in a sentence. Like possible. It is possible to walk on land. That means it is easy, it can be done. It is impossible to walk on water. That means it is not possible, it cannot be done. We cannot walk on water. Let's take one more example. Movable, immovable. Movable means something that can be moved from one place to another. Immovable means that cannot be moved. It is fixed. I hope all of you have understood and were able to recap the prefix. Now your homework for today is a notebook assignment. The worksheet has 3 questions. In question number 1, you have to write 2 words with each given prefix. Here you have to fill in the blanks, choosing the right word, the correct word from the help box. And in the third question, you have to make a new word by adding the correct prefix. See to it that you do not repeat the word in question number 1 and question number 3. do the worksheet properly and neatly in your rough notebook. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.